Struggling to manage your blood sugar with diabetes? You're not alone. But guess what? Delicious food can be part of the solution. Here's the secret: focusing on superstar ingredients that keep you feeling great and support healthy blood sugar levels. Let's dive into 5 power players that will amp up your diabetic diet. Fatty fish. Why it's great. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which studies suggest can reduce inflammation and lower triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood that can increase heart disease risk, common in diabetes. Examples: salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, albacore tuna. How to include it. Aim for 2 servings per week. Bake, grill, or broil your fish to avoid added fats and calories from frying. Enjoy with roasted vegetables and a whole grain for a balanced meal. Salmon pairs well with lemon and herbs, while sardines can be incorporated into salads or pasta dishes. Non-starchy vegetables. Why they're superstars. Low in starch and calories but high in fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. Fiber helps regulate digestion and blood sugar levels. Examples: leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, mushrooms. How to include them. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables at most meals. Explore different flavors. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil, roast broccoli with Parmesan cheese, or add chopped mushrooms to omelets or stir-fries. Berries. Why they're a diabetic-friendly fruit. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, and have a lower glycemic index (GI) score than many other fruits, meaning they cause a gentler rise in blood sugar. Examples: blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. How to include them. Enjoy a small serving, around 1/2 cup, on their own as a snack. Add them to yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast, or incorporate them into salads for a touch of sweetness. Whole grains. Why they're beneficial. Excellent source of fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, promoting better blood sugar control. Examples: brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread. How to include them. Swap refined grains for whole grains whenever possible. Choose brown rice over white rice, opt for whole wheat bread for your toast, and enjoy oatmeal for a fiber-rich breakfast. Cook quinoa as a side dish or add it to salads for extra protein and texture. Nuts and seeds. Why they're a smart choice. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Healthy fats can help with satiety and may improve blood sugar control. Protein also promotes feeling full and can help manage weight, another important factor in diabetes management. Examples: almonds, walnuts, pistachios, chia seeds, flax seeds. How to include them. Enjoy a small handful, around 1 ounce, as a snack, sprinkle them over yogurt or salads, or add them to homemade granola bars for a satisfying and nutritious treat. Remember, nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so portion control is key. Remember, this is just a starting point. Consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for a personalized meal plan that considers your specific needs and preferences. They can help you create a delicious and sustainable diabetic diet that supports your health goals.